Hello, how are you? I'm Robert.
Hey, I'm just a computer program, so no emotions, but I'm here and ready to assist. What can I do for you today, Robot Robert?
Okay, that's nice. Thank you for your asking. But that's all for today. Thank you.
No problem, Robert. If you ever need assistance or just want to chat, feel free to reach out. Take care.
Hello everybody, welcome to Robert's channel. For this video, we're going to introduce how to create ChatGPT. And because for some people that they cannot register an account or set up an account of the ChatGPT because they were asked to fill out a phone number and to verify the phone number, and that is very difficult because maybe they cannot get the text message, so that's bad. So in this video we'll teach you how to open the ChatGPT very freely, and there's no such complication situations. And further, you can see in this video that the AI chat is free now, so you can speak to the ChatGPT and ask many questions or just practice your English. Okay, so let's start. First thing you need to open these websites, and the link of these websites I just put the link under this video. So what you need to do, you just copy the link into the web browser, and you will see your IP address here, or you can check your IP address. As you see on this on my page, my IP address is like this, and the location is United States. What we do, why we need to check the IP address, I will show you later on the next page. So on this page, you can check your IP address is clean or not. The link of these websites I also put it under this video, and you can find it on at the comments area. So you need to copy your IP address into this field and click the search button, and you can see your IP address is clean or not. For this IP address, you can see the fraud score is 30, and this is bad because the evaluation is medium risk, so there's some risks for this IP address. Alright, so we have to change the IP address and again and again until it's completely clean. So and then it will be much easier for you to set up a ChatGPT account. We have to do this. So I just changed the IP address, and then until the fraud score is 0 and the evaluation finally is no risk. That's good. That's great. And then we can go to the next step. And for better account opening or setting up, you better download Edge web browser. You can download on the websites of the Microsoft. This is easy. You can search this website in the Google search engine and open this page. On this page, you can click the download button, and then you can set up the Edge web browser. When you open up the Edge web browser, click this arrow, and you will find there is a menu here. There's many options. Find the third one, that is new in private window. So click this, and your browsing will be much safer and clean. After all the preparation, we're going to create your ChatGPT account. Well, this page it's easy for you to find. So you just type in the ChatGPT in the Google search engine, and there would be many links, and find the OpenAI one, and you could see this page. On this page, for the first thing is that you need to fill in the email address. Okay, you better use Google Gmail address or Outlook address, email address. That would be better. I just recommended you to do that like this, and then we click continue. After that, ChatGPT will send you an email. So this is a notice. This is a message that asks you to verify your email. So this page said that they have sent an email to the email address you just filled at the prep page. Okay. If you didn't receive the email, you can click this button and resend the email. And when I get into my email address and I found this email, from the OpenAI, and as you see, the OpenAI asked me to verify my email address. Whatever I need to do is click this button, verify email address, this green button. Okay, I click it, and we'll go to this page. On this step, you need to fill in some information about yourself. So that's your personal details or information, like your first name, your family name, and your birth date. It's simple, and finally we click the agree button. Okay, finally you have set up your ChatGPT account, and you log into your account, and you can ask questions for the ChatGPT. So it's great. We just click OK, let's go. And this is how I chat with ChatGPT, and this is my words, like how are you today, and could you give advices about investments, and the below is the answer from ChatGPT. Well, I didn't show you the typing box below this window because you can find the filling area very easily, so I didn't show it here. Well, the next important thing is that I want to show you how to use the free chat function. So for this time, you need to download a ChatGPT app on your mobile phone, smartphone, and when you open your ChatGPT and with your email address and password, you need to click this button. This button looks like a earphone. Click it, and you will go to this page. On this page, it asks you to choose a voice. This is simple. We just click the blue button and choose one voice. There will be several or multiple options. Choose anyone you like and click the confirm button. Then you can chat with the GPT. Okay, it's very great since you try. So just keep trying, and you will find many wonderful or interesting answers. Okay, that's the content of this video. Hope everybody would like this video, and if you like it, you can subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. Okay, thank you. See you.